Hey everybody, Tugboat Timmy here with your winter driving tip of the year. Every year, I live in upstate New York. It gets extremely cold, and I learned pretty quick to carry air brake conditioner in my truck. And what this does is if your air system gets froze up, you locate your air compressor, which is usually on the left side of the motor. You find the air hose going to it, which is usually a metal braided line. You unscrew that line, make sure the truck's off. You dump this bottle in. Usually it takes a whole bottle. You could probably get a whole bottle in there, and you screw it back on, turn the truck on and let it cycle through the truck, and it will help you build air. You can also use this for the trailer by putting it in through the glad hands of the trailer, and I've even used this and dumped it directly onto where the brake shoes are stuck to the actual brake drum. I've used it for that too, to help melt the ice around that area to free your brakes up. Um, it is important to note, people, do not use regular rubbing alcohol to try to unfreeze your air system. That would inevitably probably do more damage than the air brake conditioner, because this stuff right here is designed to run through your air system. Another thing too, it doesn't have to be this brand. It can be, there's different brands all over the country, and you can pretty much buy it anywhere: truck stops, auto parts stores, Walmart, any place that sells auto parts stuff. You could probably find it. It's usually about $5 to $10, give or take. And I usually keep anywhere from 3 to 5 bottles in my side box just in case I run into that situation. And I usually do, guys. So it's worth the investment to spend the $5 to $10 per bottle, because if you don't have any of this stuff and you're at a rest area or a truck stop or somewhere that you don't have access to this, and you've got to call a roadside guy, they're going to charge you $500 to $700, and all they're going to do is bring a couple of these bottles and run it through your air system, and that they're going to charge you that 5 to 700. So be smart this year. Learn something new. If you don't already know about air brake conditioner, make sure you get some and stick it in your side box. If anyone has any questions or comments about air brake conditioner or any other weather tips that you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comments section below. Also, please make sure to like and follow our videos, so you can be informed next time we have a video out there. Again, this is Tugboat Timmy with his winter PSA tip of the year. Tugboat Timmy out.